couple weeks now that I will get you a review video on my contact paper countertops. We are in a rental house, so I couldn't do anything permanent with them. So I went to Lowe's, I got some granite textured contact paper, 3 rolls. I'll link the video to how to apply it below. I also purchased some peel and stick backsplash off Amazon that went up about a week after the countertops. So they've been up for 1.5 years. I kind of want to go over the pros and cons and my overall view of contact papered countertops. So overall, they look great. No reason for me to peel it up and redo it. It's been 1.5 years. If you look at my installation video, I actually did a strip back here and left the original, what is that, caulking on the counter, and then put a second piece on the countertop. And it actually looks nice like that. It makes it look like it was meant to be that way. First off, I do not like the backsplash. It's coming down today and I'm going to get a different peel and stick contact paper for it. I took off all my outlet covers and I cut around it, and you just peel the back off and stick it to the wall. But over the last year, it's just come apart. It's sticking up. It definitely looks cheap. All the corners are coming up, and it's just not holding up well. So I definitely wouldn't advise this for long-term backsplash in your rental. From far away, it looks nice, but when you get close up on it, it's just not great. Countertops held up really well. Not really any staining on them. I think I have 1 stain. I think the kids got spaghetti or something on the counter and it didn't get cleaned up. Kind of stained, won't come up. I've tried everything. The seams on my countertop, I don't know if you can actually see it, but there's actually a seam that runs right here, all the way down the counter. There you can see it kind of. You can't really see it when you step away. You have to get up on it to know it's there. No food, nothing gets stuck in there. It's not coming up in any of the seamed places. Here's another one. Here's another one. Sorry guys, my video cut off. So what I was saying is I didn't overlap the seams. A lot of people in the comments were talking about overlapping the seams, and I didn't do that. I just used the Windex to give myself some wiggle room to slide them up on real close to each other. Overall, I am absolutely happy with my countertops. There's minimal peeling, and I actually patched this corner with a piece. I'm gonna redo it because I need it to go over the top some, because food is actually getting in there. So there's that one that's peeling up. All of the corners are holding up really well, or the sides here. Let's see, I did this corner. I put a patch there. It's kind of peeling up just because my kids pick at it. I did put a little patch to help. I'll probably go and fix this. It was my first time using heat to stretch the contact paper. This one was my absolute first corner. It didn't turn out that great, but it's held up well, other than some kids picking at it. Put a patch over it. This curved piece right here, in my video I put a piece over top of it, and it's held up really nice. Nothing's digging in there, no peeling back. Also, the kids don't come over here, the seam's over here. These corners are holding up nicely. This piece, no peeling, nothing, not even around the sink. I haven't noticed any mold, no mildew, nothing. I mean, great. I absolutely would recommend this. Just recommend that you make sure you have extra paper for patches on the corners. I have a couple patches in the junk drawer here. Just little patches of extra excess I cut off. And with the pattern I chose, I don't really need to line anything up because wherever I stick this, it's gonna blend in. I'm gonna make another video redoing the backsplash with something else. I just have to figure out what I want it to look like. But overall, I'm super happy with how it turned out. And it's nice, smooth, it's super easy to clean. The method in my how-to video helped with bubbling. I don't really have any bubbles. Just nice, smooth surfaces. This corner right here turned out really good. No peeling, nothing. But yeah, so about 1.5 years. Contact paper's holding up really well. Just need to patch the corners because I'm not really great with the heat stretching of the contact paper. But let me know what you think in the comments. We have about 1 year left in this lease, and then I will post another video of removing it. Another comment that was commented often in my video was using Windex because it won't evaporate quickly or it gets stuck under. It did well. Like there's no slipping. There was never any slipping after I squeegeed out all the excess Windex. But I'm gonna post some before pictures. Let me know what you guys think.